Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, we are going to see how you can download WhatsApp on your iPhone. It is a quite simple process. The first thing that you have to do is launch your App Store. After launching your App Store, you can see a search icon on the bottom right corner of your phone right here. Tap on it. And then you will be able to see search bar on the top of your phone. Tap on it. And now start typing WhatsApp. After typing WhatsApp, tap on the search button on your keyboard. And now here you will be able to see this WhatsApp Messenger. Tap on it. And here you will see this cloud-like icon. If you have previously downloaded WhatsApp on your iPhone, you will see this same icon. But if you have never downloaded WhatsApp ever on your iPhone, a blue button with Get written on it will show up. Simply just tap on the button and your Apple ID or Face ID will be required. And then the download process will begin. Here you can see I have a cloud-like icon because I have previously downloaded WhatsApp on my iPhone. So simply just tap on it. And here you can see Apple ID passcode or Face ID is not required because I have downloaded WhatsApp previously. So now the download process has begun. Here you can see now the download process has completed, and in order to open your WhatsApp, simply just tap on this open button that you can see. And like this, you can download WhatsApp on your phone. Very easy and simple, right? If you guys find this video helpful, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.